Hello. Oh, put these away. Anyhow, welcome in, welcome in. We're gonna continue with our little thing that is called the thing, the PCB. Um, that means we're gonna start with our daily quest. In the Mechtel. Okay. In Mechtel, and then we're gonna start different things. So. A block. I mean, we have short pallets now, right? Let's do copper. Oh. Okay, older than 117. But very similar otherwise. Less blast resistance. Iron? No, iron has more hardness. Oh, that could be so many things though, couldn't it? I mean, it could be iron ore. It's gold ore, diamond ore. It's the diamond ore. Bling! Well, okay. I don't know how I got the pre-alpha so fast, but I mean, not sad about that. Let's go with a okay. Popped chorus fruit. You know what? Sure. Okay, it's not lootable. It is renewable and common. Not lootable, but then it has a recipe. Then it has to have a recipe. Um a no, what is that? Is a harness there? Harness has a recipe, is also absolute cinema. Absolute cinema. I am just this good. I'm sorry. I am just this good. Make sure that I don't miss any messages. Okay. Time to go to the mobs, I guess. Let's go with Piglin. Yeah. That's the Hoglin, alright. Is it then the Zoglin? Hostile conversion undead that fits the bill. Good. I am just this good. Thank you. I did not want to see the hints. Let's just pretend that we didn't. What else? Bowl. Chest, crafting table. bed. Barrel. Composter. The chiseled bookshelf. I believe that is like that. Yes. We can also dye that, and we can dye this. And we have the armor types. Helmet. We also have the block. We have jukebox. Missing one. Um. There are no stairs. There are no chiseled variants. Doesn't exist. Have I missed anything with the carpet again? It was the carpet again. Okay, nice, lovely. That was easy. Okay, let's allow this guy to fix stuff. Sure. Anyway, open keycut. Oh, also open Easy EDA. I downloaded this because now I hope last import apparently failed. Cool. It's RGB wedge. Cut. Open this. Import everything. Let's see. Because last time we tried importing this project into into the website and it just died on me because it was too big. So let's try with the standalone version. Lovely. Mhm. There you go. And there's the issue. Lovely. Okay. Stuck at 51%. Lovely. We had that issue once before. Anyhow. Okay. Let's open up the PCB. Right. Last thing I was thinking about are the mounting holes. And we had the idea of doing this in a little bit nicer way. Get RGB batch. Time to focus on. Okay. I hope that works. Larry does not exist yet. Please create one first. Okay. Save. I'm gonna get stuck at 51% again. Hmm. Look at this. There's the... Never existed. Like it is 12.10. Lovely. Is it crazy outdated version? Yeah, use such things. I have to be a little bit careful because my token usage is crazy today. Yeah, I'm already halfway through my tokens again. I have a laptop running with a very thick one, which yeah. There we go. All import confirm. Okay. Nice. Now, open up the schematic first. Sure. That is so messy. That is so incredibly messy. But anyway. Cool. Hopefully that works. That's a lot of loading thingies. Interesting. How am I not allowed to resize this? I want to read what this does. Okay, so you add... Do I like that? Because it adds a value to this, doesn't it? Don't you? Let's see. We'll have to double check everything here. Double, triple, and quadruple. But for once, I just wanna look at the right, so that already doesn't know. Okay, it doesn't know shit. Oh, that's fine. I'm allowed to scroll? I'm not allowed to scroll here. It's the same! Cool. So, if I bring in the actual part number, right? Will that also crash? Because if so, I'm writing to the support. We'll see. There you go. Log in. Google account. Bada bing, bada boom. Dude, thank you. By standardization. IOTs. Those. How fucked up can you make a thing like this? That's just crazy. Okay, actually, I just want to put these all the way like this, right? Okay. Assign, paste, search, choose. And replace. Let's see. I mean, doesn't seem to use a lot of CPU. Oh, but the RAM is slowly creeping up. Which is, I mean, fine. Let's hope that we don't get ohmed. Already going down again, eh? Ooh. Okay. Okay. Cool. Well, I'm to not show you what I'm doing because now I need a token, which is a secret and should stay a secret. I mistyped. Okay, there we go. Let's runners, delete that one. Yes. Good new runner. Um, be the token. Paste that in. Okay, should work again. We shall see. This, on the other hand, doesn't seem to work. Cool. I mean, KiCad is running, but mhm. Dun dun dun. Oh, this guy's done. Diesel bit. Yeah. Sorry. I it said you can There you go. Doesn't seem like likes me. Oh, 8 gig used. No, wait, 8 gig used. That is very little. Okay, okay. Let's look at the cluster state. Hey, that's a new issue though. No, just, oh wait. Oh, should I see? Hmm. We shall see. Well, that one seems broken, so let's kill it. ESC. Yeah. Will you? I mean, okay, that is still saved. Device standardization. Did I run out? Okay, no. Okay, it didn't work, but what we can do is get the this code again. Okay, choose this. What? Ah, there you go. Okay, and we just do DA for now. Now we do DB. Now we do DC. And DD. E. F. G. H. I think that's it, right? Now if I refresh this list, there is still a ton of DA. There's still the frig. Why? It just did 70 or so? E. C. D. F. G. H. Just still some left. For some reason. Wow. Oh, that's paginated, right? Ah, hier ist dann noch. EB. C. C. E. I have the feeling that I've skipped some. Just start from the beginning in. B. There are still B's for some reason. C. E. F. G. H. There are still some left? Why? Only DD though. Right? DE. Yeah. So stupid. Soon. Soon we're done. Dumb. It is so freaking dumb. It is not a hard thing to do. It is not a hard thing to do this. Oh, hey, once. Okay. Okay, they're all assigned now. They're all assigned now. Finally we managed. Okay, now start with all the other things. So Okay, so these are the same, these are the same, this one is that one, okay. So, what we can do now is just go here. Hi, what are you? You're that one. We copy over. Assign. All of these are that one. God, is this software slow? Oh. Load, for God's sake. I'll be fine with 600. It's to be fine for now. Refresh this list. Okay, yeah. Now all of these. Okay. So, um, so the main one. Okay, let's look at it first. Yeah. No. Very much no. You know what? I'm just gonna run DLC. Save the no, you know what? No, I don't want to burn too many more tokens. Let's not burn too many more tokens. It's dog shit. It doesn't make sense. I wanna check how much this costs. Right? That is what I want to do right now. So 50, 59. Uh uh actually city RG badge find a LCSC part number for the cap 650 to 659. 0, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can't count. It's 10. Hello, Hector. Welcome in. Welcome in. Das halte ich auf. I think that is not the correct one. Maybe it is the correct one. How are you doing? I'm doing good. How are you doing? I mean, maybe I can just search this on CSC. No good? Nice. Micro. Micro. I mean, are there like decently good ones? Little. What are the differences between the OVZ and VEGA? What are you doing today? So we are finishing up the design for the big LED thingy. And at the same time, we are trying to get like a good tab system on there. But to be honest, I'm not really happy about that. Yeah, this got changed. The You'll be back? Okay. Panasonic. That one. Sure. Loading. Loading. I mean, there's also another thing we could do. We could also do all chat marketing, but I think this is more fun. please open this window? This is so incredibly slow. Nein, das ist Caesar. So wait. Do we get the thing? We are now problems with secrets. We fix it? Yeah, basically we just need to put the secret in there, but apparently it is not working. Just need to register it for the repo. No, I registered it for the organization. Way smarter. Don't do per runner, per repo runners. That's stupid. That takes ages to propagate. Let's close this. Let's open up again. Which one? That one. Hi. What? Were we here? Oh, probably accidentally clicked on this. LED badge. This is so slow. This is so painfully slow. Ah, yes. It's just how many can you don't set it anything. I mean that is dependent on the actual runner, not anything that that Fogio or the what is it called? Codeblock dictates. The problem right now is just that the one runner the it's still crashing. Right, that is the issue. The issue? I mean, kind of. Runner, do not click. Re-edit the secret. Oh, jeez. Docker would have set this up in minutes. The fuck are you talking about? This is Docker. It is. It's the same problem. Literally is the same problem. I'm just kidding. I bet this is the issue. Yeah. Bum bum. I bet it's stale data. I bet it's stale context. We shall see. I finally just took 10,000 minutes. Okay, back to this problem. Ah, look at that. Yeah. I thought we would register runner the old way, but we don't do that. We do use the new way. Which is lovely. What is the old way? Just with one with a token, and now it's with a token and a UID. It's okay. It's okay. Did you have what? The runner. The runner gets a UID? Do we put a bot user in our org that does all the CI pushes? Free. CI pushes? What CI pushes? Oh, the one from. I mean, if you want, you don't have to. This. Um. Can you please just get this going? As you scope packages write to repos and only allow all. What? Heh? And do what? Publishing. Okay, but wait, you can't scope packages write to repos. And only do allow all? I don't understand. Otherwise, we have access to the tokens. Ah! Okay, yeah, I understand. Well. How about you don't read the bad day work? Oh, Itro, how you doing? What went on? Why bad day work? You're safe here. Hmm? What? Yeah, you okay, well, how can we help? How can we help? We have to do some democracy for you. This UUID here. We paste the UUID there. And the shared secret goes here. I think it's super clever ideas. We have clever ideas, all the clever ideas, but we need a problem to solve to get clever ideas. What is the problem we need to solve? Okay. Dun. Make the next ChatGPT rapper and become a billionaire. Creating a problem, then create a product that solves that problem you created. Seems like a funny idea. What? I would never do that. Okay. Let's see. Bim, bim. Okay. There we go. Runners live and pulling jobs. There we go. There we go. We got it. Bims, are you happy now? Are you happy now? We did it. Waiting for intro. Yeah. Very much waiting for intro. But I also needed to tell you that I have done the thing and you can now do things. Where's Plotspot? There is no Plotspot. Um. Okay. Problem is, I suspect one of the part-timer uploaded a rather incendiary picture of a person onto the contact list on a work customer's mobile device. The contact list includes myself and several colleagues. The image contains MS Paint style handwriting with derogatory words as Howard. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, someone uploaded a picture. I am very happy that I have no clue what the W word is. Let's keep it at that. Check the work plan. I'm down to 2 people. Yeah. Yeah, the issue is, do you have access? Because most... maybe there is some way you could get an audit log or something like that. The reception mobile device. 833 phone. Just like a normal mobile phone? Okay, yeah, seems like it. Yep. 100% understandable, Samsung. By checking logs? Anything there? Trace of the image on the phone. Uploaded a contact image. And that is... okay, so as a contact image for... yeah. Yeah, that's where my brain went to through. And they uploaded it to the... like they set that on that device as that phone's image whenever like someone calls you, the screen would show the derogatory words, right? As an image. I believe it's Google SMS app. But okay, they just set... if we go into the contacts, the problem isn't even the logs. The problem isn't even the logs. Getting the logs, that kind of is like the easy part. Making sure that you can link that timestamp to that person directly, that is hard. Because how many people do have access to that phone. It's probably not locked. Or it is locked with a key that everyone knows. Yeah. Locked with a pin, and everyone who works there knows the pin, yeah. The problem is you don't have a smoking gun. Okay, wait. So they one thing is bothering me. So they have to have used some kind of app to make that image, right? The only thing that I can think of is the gallery, and you would have to find something in the gallery, in the trash bin, or if you're really lucky. Okay. Not a problem. Not too big of a problem. Check the trash bin, do that. If you can restore that, then there will be a timestamp on there. But you deleting something on a device doesn't necessarily, nowadays it's more complicated, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the data is gone. It's just that you remove the part from the bro, what is the word? Sims. You know what I mean. Cache, no, I don't know what word you want. Inhaltsverzeichnis. Bro. How can I check it? Samsung's gallery has a table of contents. Thank you. So yeah, you just delete the reference in the table of contents, and then you just leave the data there because it will be overwritten at some point. And there is software that just ignores the table of content and scans the whole device for kind of coherent blobs of data. So you can restore some data sometimes with that. There is in the gallery, should be a little bit hidden, a recycle bin. Might need to Google that. But use that device, basically have it turned off. Unless you are actively doing stuff, because every time it's on, you are risking that part of data being overwritten again. And if it's not in the recycle bin, you are on borrowed time. Also, workflow failed? Okay, but it's probably a workflow issue, right? Can open the ticket, please? Can you open the ticket for that? Could you please open the ticket? Yeah, I think those are the few things that I would do. I will come and put Legos under your front door. I don't go outside, my guy. Doesn't bother me. Yeah. Recycle bin, and then maybe trying to do the where did you delete it from? From the gallery or from the files? Nice. Hey, Claude to fix workflow. I don't want to deal with it. Which workflow? Ah, let me through. I'm not a bot. Nah. Okay, thank you. Can I please just... There's no workflow that failed here, so it has to be somewhere else. Probably here. Yeah. Set up Docker build X. Well, that's literally an issue for you. Oh. Maybe it's not actually. But I need to clone that repo first. By the way, move just get that Claude to get ignore then. No, I won't. You do that. Alright, actually, not what I wanted. Not what I wanted. Edit? You edit. You wanted edit? You edit. I don't care for that. I think my Claude MD is pretty nice. I'm asking you, please. How about that's just a skill issue? And I don't deal with skill issues. Sorry. Sorry. Claude. There you go. Be happy. Nice. Okay, so J1. J1 we know. No, we don't know J1. We don't know J1. Well, J1, J2, U1. TVS1. Yeah. Cool. Because the R's, I know the R's. R's. Ah! Hard resist on that one. What is those? Okay, R3 is is no clue what those words even were. Yeah, me neither, and I'm pretty happy about that. I mean, if B is bitch, is W witch? You witch! No, let's not try guessing. Wowie. Right, and the use I can also find here. Yeah, you use Google, sure. Good. I mean, let's order the PCB and okay, sure, try DRC. How much are you gonna scream? How are you gonna scream? In the end, I just want to know how much it costs right now at this point. At this point in time. No DRC issues? What? That's crazy. Approval for the plan. Yes. Sure. What is the issue? Whitefields. John runs on by our Forger runner that no Docker CLI. Our runner does have. Ah. Ah. Oh yeah, I see. Okay, sure. No issues, something wrong? Yeah, kinda. But let's see. I am interested in this. I'm interested. How much this is gonna cost. Because imagine, right? This is now the big boy. The other one, they were like 30 to 40 bucks a piece. Let's see. I have my doubts about that. So, like lead free. We need epoxy filled and capped. We need O2s. Okay. And now the fun part. Both sides. Yes. But fuck that. Okay. Next. Ah, Jesus Christ. Jesus crikey, mate. Crikey, mate. Can I upload this? Export. Oh. I would have liked to just upload that, but if I click on order PCB, now continue exporting, blah 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 blah. I would like this to be open in Chrome. Let's see. Sign in, sign in. Google. Okay. Some stuff should be autofilled. Hopefully. Anyway, black, lead free. Two. Oxy filled and capped. Why am I not allowed to do inner? Ah, because you oh, thanks. Inner copper, please 2 ounces. I don't want the 6 layer, but I know that you want it. Okay, this has uploaded to my file manager. Okay, wait. It hasn't. It literally has. So why can't I just export this to my file manager here? Claude broke it. What broke Claude? You are too LCPC. Ah, yeah. That is, I thought you meant the runner. It's okay. Cool. we're gonna talk about that. Uh, yes. Option A. Something like that. I mean, I can obviously also just export this as a file and upload it. Maybe that's the. How's the power draw approximately? Peak or not peak? That is the question. Yes, out of 10. Do you want to know the peak? That is 150 watts. Oh no, wait, is it how? No, yeah, kind of. 150 watts, yeah, 150 watts. So the PCB is made for 150 watts, but the LEDs could technically do like 400? So you just limit it in software. It gets down to like 50 or so. This tell me, oh, battery ran out. Yeah, that's why we limited it software. But you can very much have like very high pixels, right? So you have a huge range of brightnesses too. Okay, maybe, yeah. I'm gonna export the other else to get data. What? Yeah, I wish I could do this, but what's the res again? 40 by 64. That is something that I wanted to do before I start doing anything. That is actually something. Let's do that right now. Write a quick. Right slash. Yeah, well, whatever. That's there. Quick mockup to showcase the large. Um. Okay. Let's get a quick mock-up so we can see what stuff would actually look like on there, right? Did you fix it already? Yo. Shh. Push was denied. Bypasses the PR review. Ah, because of auto mode classifier. No, simply push through many. Auto mode is actually surprisingly good, I have to say. To make it protected later on though? Yeah. Sure. But always have like a break glass system. Always have a break glass system. No, read me. You fucked. You. Hey. Galbot. Then we export the bomb. Template. Cool. Failed. Did it. I don't believe you. I cannot fail. Because of a different thing. Authorization failed. Crazy. Different. I all know. Mockup. Ah, that is the. That's the plan. Building the mockup. No, yeah, okay, all good. I'm fine. What did he? Why did he fuck up? What? I didn't look at that. I don't look at the past. Well, let badge. Let badge. One thing. Didn't I save it in here? 100% did that. I may just blind. I mean, that could also be. Yeah. Opening the file. Whoa, that's trippy though. Ah, that one doesn't look that good. Okay, I mean, yeah, okay, that already looks pretty nice. Cool. Will look different on the screen. Yeah, but resolution, right? Resolution. That was like the yes. But is the resolution okay? How the actual thing will look, we can cross-reference that to the to the other ones, right? The the sample boards. Um, Control C. I looked at it and it's nice. Let's add the for me, really the most important thing was, is the resolution enough? And I do believe that this gives me the yeah. Is it an ESP32 by the way? I mean, you can use an ESP32 to control that, yes. The board itself has no logic. None. You put the data in and it displays it. Yes. Only the display. Nothing else. Okay, that looks good. Like 2 ounce inner weight. Oxy filled and capped. Tiny. Uh okay. And assembly. Both sides. I mean, so far so good. Right. Now the bomb. And now it gets expensive. um here. What did he do to the workflow? God knows. What? Didn't I already changed that though, didn't I? The designators do not do that anymore. The designators don't do that anymore. What is the fucking issue now? Uh wait. I think I know what's wrong. Okay, but that's probably easy. Did they allow you to do that? Ah, it's annoying, but okay. Because basically I need to split this. Um, downloads. There is a from and a big and place. Yeah. We need to make sure no row has more than 248 basic. Find the and split them. Copy the rest of the data to the okay. Surely, right? Uh, use a VN. Can I stop it? Can I what? Can I stop what? It using a deprecate tool. Okay, yeah, I can do that. Dun 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 dun. I mean, okay, wait a second. Uh, is it using GitHub tokens, I think? Yeah, I think it kind of wrapped itself there. I'm having plan mode now. We're getting there. Oh, right. Also, I should do slash effort max. A lot of these actions. 10x10. Also, I miss. This snake is gonna take a long time. By the way, I also have two controllers that I think about using, right? I have this piece. Oh, yes. A Raspi. 0W. Maybe get the Steam controller instead? No, kidding. Nah, I'm not gonna get that one. I don't play on controller at all, so it's like not my deal, not my thing. Okay, cool. You Raspi. DSP all the way. Yeah, yes, but 128 gigs of storage. A lot more compute. If you want to have like a lot of different things, then this might actually be better. So So what's the fun when you have basically no limitations? You still have limitations, and that's the screen. The screen is the limitation. I love it. Bum bum bum. Did I just read SQLite somewhere? No. Everything's okay. Time to re-upload. We pray. Why? Let's dun, dun, dun. Dum dum dum. Surely, right? Surely it's gonna work. Um, okay. That designator characters in each cell should characters. Is it actually Chaz? No way it's actually Chaz. What are you doing? Oh god. It's so stupid. It's so stupid. Anyway. Ah. Okay. It's so stupid. Yeah, please. Well, I'm just gonna upload the bomb here and upload the pick and place here. Hoping that I get an error message telling me that that is wrong. I mean, okay, Hemis just doesn't. What? Thumbs up. Huh? Okay, the red flag is kind of broken, but again, we are looking at the resolution here. Doesn't work at all, but hey. Okay, bad apple. Bad apple, on the other hand, that works. That freaking works. And how that works. I mean, okay, yeah, right. That failed. Nice. We try this again. What? Ah, so much effort just to know how much money I will be wasting. Still, I mean, you could have gambled. And I am gambling, am I not? Uh, um, good thing. Yeah, wait. You're correct. Hmm. Um, so stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Was this failed? Yay! Okay, let's use that one. You are number 5 in queue. Lovely. Oh, sorry. We got it. We got it. We got it. It worked. Oh. Maybe that's the total. Maybe that is the total, right? That surely is the total. That surely is the total. That seems right. Well, that is the total. But that is the total. Then that is way less than I thought. Yeah, obviously, but trust. Right? So 750 divided by 5. 150 bucks? I thought we were like 300. It's like half the price. And that's way better. It's... That's way better. $400 just in parts. Oh. Yeah, crazy, huh? That's not even too bad. Yeah. Make it 10? We can make it 10. That's not an issue. But that it won't make it much cheaper. Right? 7,000. Mm-hmm. See, now we are at 120. $170. Now we're 127. I mean, that is cheaper, right? But in the end, not by much. But okay, hey, that is actually decent. We still need to make like these weird thingies. You just use a calc to divide by 10. It's even worse. It is even worse. I used Wolfram Alpha to divide by 10. That is literally shooting shooting an ant with a thermonuclear bomb. This thing can do crazy stuff, and I divide it by 10. Anyway. Nice. That is actually pretty nice. I will ask people about that, but yeah. Go to 10, I was kidding. I went to 10. But I mean, I wanted to show you that it isn't actually that much cheaper, because in the end, what's really eating into the prices, like the actual cost of the stuff, right? These are very much just like set, and then yeah, this is crazy. But yeah, cool. We will need to think about some funny stuff then. I mean, look at this wonderful stuff here. Oh, lol. Again, that happened with the other one too. It was really interesting, but yeah. But anyway. They don't seem to fit right, do they? Oh no, this is just, oh, no, something is wrong. Yeah, something is wrong. I don't think they are aligned. I don't think they are anything, but yeah. That is stuff we can fix. That is stuff we can fix. That's fine. We don't have to, we don't want to order it anyway, right? Yet. Okay, cool. Nice. So. Let's look at this. It's dog shit again! It's dog shit again! Ah, now looks like a Y. Like the agent, by the way? Yeah, good point. Build kit ready. It says it's done. Oh, hey! That's good. Yeah. Serious? Serious. It can't do uppercase. Oh, what the heck? Dazzling Lily Pop? What the frick is Dazzling Lily Pop? That's the MD generated for the plan. Oh, is it? Crazy. Okay. There are a few things still that we need to address. I mean, bit confused with the issue with the caps because here they are placed perfectly fine, right? That doesn't make a lot of sense. But I know that issue with PCBWay with GLC. I've seen that. We need to find these connectors. We need to find a few more things. But in general, pretty happy already. And right, we also need to get those tabs going. That's like yeah, we want. By the way, what are we gonna put on the silk screen? What are we gonna put on the silk screen? Okay, I'ma get some food and chill a little bit in voice chat. But in general, we're done for the stream today. We did what we wanted. We found out how much it costs, and we did a little bit of improvement. Okay. So have a good one, everyone, and maybe see you in voice chat in a second. Oh, right. Oh, nothing happened today. Ah, yeah.